This Mercury Mariner had a problem with the ignition switch that was keeping it from starting. The switch is on the left side of the steering column and easily replaced. First, remove the three 7mm screws holding the steering column shrouds, and then pop the shrouds off. Now use a pick or small flathead to disconnect the electrical connector from the switch. Depress the plastic tabs located on the top and bottom of the switch, then lever the switch out to remove it. Check that the new switch is indexed the same as the old switch, then install the new switch. Now test the new switch by starting the car. If all is good, reinstall the shrouds.